Can the 14th Amendment take Trump off the ballot? Supreme Court to hear case Thursday. Washington minus the U.S. Supreme Court on Thursday will consider whether former President Donald Trump's role in the January 6, 2021, attack on the U.S. Capitol disqualifies him from the presidency. The historic case could have huge consequences for this year's election if the justices decide that Trump, the frontrunner for the GOP nomination, is barred by the Constitution from returning to the White House. It's the biggest presidential election case since the Supreme Court decided Bush v. Gore in 2000, effectively confirming the election of George W. Bush. It's also a major test for the Supreme Court, which has been rocked by ethics scandals, criticism over its 2022 decision to overturn Roe v. Wade, and low public approval ratings. And it's not the only case about Trump the justices will be deciding. Trump is expected to appeal a lower court's ruling that he is not immune to criminal charges he tried to overturn the 2020 election. The Supreme Court is deciding whether Colorado's highest court was wrong to exclude Trump from Colorado's primary ballot. The state court said Trump is disqualified under Section 3 of the 14th Amendment, an anti-insurrection provision added after the Civil War to keep government officials who sided with the Confederacy from returning to power. It's the first time the nation's highest court will hear a case on Section 3. The provision bars people who took an oath to support the Constitution from holding office again if they engaged in insurrection. The clause says, "No person shall be a senator or representative in Congress, or elector of president and vice president, or hold any office, civil or military, under the United States, or under any state, who, having previously taken an oath, as a member of Congress, or as an officer of the United States, or as a member of any state legislature, or as an executive or judicial officer of any state, to support the Constitution of the United States, shall have engaged in insurrection or rebellion against the same, or given aid or comfort to the enemies thereof." But Congress may, by a vote of 2/3 of each house, remove such disability.